I don't know what falling means. Does it mean I'm gonna hit the ground? Oh, I don't know what falling means. Does it mean I'm gonna hit the ground? Say, I don't know what falling means. Does it mean I'm gonna hit the ground? Foolish men fool themselves into thinking they can acquire your heart. It's true they can plan as perfect to plan A. Man can plan to know your inner beauty, but the breezeway to your heart is not through your panties, nor past your curved soft lips. It's not even through your heart. No, it's not even through the heart. It's through the eyes of a man who understands no man can hold your hands through plans. And there are reasons why tulips are hugged by you. They have lost their insecurities. No more trying to be roses. And I wish early in the morning, I wish into my mirror, I wish around 7:17 a.m., I wish I was secure. I used to wish I was divine because I theorized if I was divine, I have an advantage over men who can give me much more than I. But an old man told me that the reason why the sky is dark at night is to protect humanity from drooling lesser gods who get ecstatic when they watch you slumber. Said, one demigod actually fashioned you a bauble of fantastic metals and gems, had wishes of handing it to you, then realized pale are gifts intended to impress when all you want are early morning sunrises. He wanted to join one morning but was scared of being with two solar beings beaming on the world. He now cries and his tears sustain the Amazon, the Ganges, the Hudson, and all other rivers and stuff we put in poetry. But then you will be playing. But you can't be playing. You be playing if birds were painted in metallic colors, if baseball games were exciting, if rainbows appeared at least once a week in different shapes and different colors, and guided towards the giving of them by short men with funny hats and green jackets who had names like McGillicuddy, McLaughlin, or Keebler. But such is not the case. And my words left to highlight big and beautiful things, diminish more unimportant things, and my exclamation sounds and sighs are used to describe and or define you, because I don't know what falling means. Does it mean I'm gonna hit the ground? Or I don't know what falling means. Does it mean I'm gonna call it love if you need a name? Satisfaction is all the same to me, cause good things fall apart, bad things fall apart. But when they fall apart, I still have your love, still be in love, still have your love. I think I'll be secure if you just hug me. Peace.
Give it up.